What's up everybody, Kid Android here. So yeah, most of the smartphone companies nowadays are trying their best to achieve a full experience, flawless screen in smartphones. They are trying to achieve it by pop-up selfie mechanism or a punch hole water drop notch selfie camera to achieve the best results. However, many people actually don't like the pop-up selfie mechanism because this is not 100% reliable, but the process of having the camera built under the display seems to be the best solution so far. And I guess Oppo is winning the race because today in Oppo's product technology display area, the Chinese company had showcased many upcoming devices and products with the cutting-edge technologies. One of which is obviously the prototype with an under-display camera. This is the prototype, and according to the company, the new technology allows users to have a more complete field of vision by completely integrating the front camera into the display. And I guess this is the best solution so far because most of the people actually don't like notches or the punch hole display, but this is indeed the best solution so far. With that being said, according to the source, this prototype that featured this new camera technology also showcased possible designs for the future smartphones. It had no visible seams, ports are opening even for the charging, and it's likely a wireless powered backup. Furthermore, the selfie camera interface was mostly hidden but was noticeable with the light colored wallpapers or background. Well, this shows that the technology is incomplete and it is still a while away from the commercial launch. But overall, the smartphone looks absolutely fantastic and it will definitely increase the user experience because now there is not a single thing which will irritate the user. With that being said, Oppo has stated that this new phone will solve these minor details and hitches over the next few years before starting mass production. Rapidly, we might even be seeing more widespread adoption of this new technology in the next 3 to 5 years from different companies from now. So yeah, what do you think about it? Let me know your thoughts on that in the comments down below, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you tomorrow. Peace out.